How to turn a colorful image to black and white in Canva? This is what I will show you in this video. Hiya, it's Reni here from Reni Creative. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back if you've been before. In today's video, I will show you how you can turn a colorful image to black and white in Canva, and I will use Creative Fabrica and Canva for that. So let's just go to Creative Fabrica first, and I show you what kind of pictures you want to use. As you can see, you want to use clip art, and you want to make sure the clip art has this black outline, or darkish blackish outline. And these kind of pictures, it's easier to use, and you can use as your coloring for your coloring book to Amazon KDP. So I just go to Canva, because I already actually not this pineapple, but I already uploaded two kind of pictures, which I can show you how we can change it. So I'm just going to Canva, and once is opening for us. 1 second, it's a bit slow some reason. Okay, so there it is, and I'm gonna use the 8.5 times 11 inches now. So let's pretend we're creating a coloring book. So this is just one page for now, and so uploads, I'm going to uploads, as I already have pictures. So I'm gonna use first this one, this popcorn and this fizzy drinks. And what you want to do, you want to go to edit photo, and after that we're gonna go to adjust. Just I'm waiting for a little bit, sorry about this. So okay, there it is. Yeah, is something wrong, it said. So just going to adjust for now. And what you want to do, you want to, as you can see, you can change brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, a lot of things. So you want to put all the way up the contrast. As you can see, is a little bit changed already. And you're going down, you have the saturation here. You want to put the saturation all the way down, and now we have a gray picture, but we're not done just yet. So there is a brightness, so you want to go with the brightness all the way up, and as you can see, ta-da, we have a beautiful coloring image. I don't know how to say. So it's let me just show you. It's a little bit, there is a little bit grayish part on that, but actually I think it looks really nice. And if you want to do this as a coloring page, what you can do, you go to the elements, and you go to shapes, and you can choose this shape, for example, and you just want to go and like that, and okay, like this, and you want to make sure it's on the middle, and you just go here, no color, and you go to the line, and you keep a border and a little bit like 8, and you leave as a black, and oh sorry. So what we want to do, we want to put this behind, so I can do with so send just backward, and now here is the picture. And I can take, if you want, you can take a little bit like bigger, and like that. Yeah, now it's in the middle, and ta-da, we have a really nice coloring page here. So what we want to do, we can actually duplicate if we want, and I just take this picture. I just delete this picture and I show you the next one, how it looks like. So I have this lovely burger and french fries. So again, what you want to do, you want to edit photo. I don't know why why it does it. It's a little bit slow, sorry. So just go to adjust again, and we're going to contrast up, all the way up again, and saturation is all the way down. And now we're going to the brightness, all the way up, and ta-da! It's just slow, but I know it changed it. Some reason it should change. Okay, just checking again. I put the up and I don't know why it went back, but it's fine. So ta-da, we have again a really lovely picture, but I will show you something in a minute. What else you can do. For some reason it just doesn't. It looks in the middle for me. So I show you again. So ta-da, we have a beautiful coloring page, another coloring page. So what else you can do? So I will just delete this one because I want to show you another way. So if you go there and click on edit photo, and if you go to, can you see there is a filters here? So you go to see all, and there are different like vivid, soft, vintage. You go all the way down, you go to mono, you go to classic, and you already have this classic gray picture. So what you want to do, you go again. So you're using this picture now, and you go to adjust, and I think we can do the same. 1 second. So if you just go to contrast, all the way up, and the saturation, all the way down, and I think the brightness again, we have a beautiful picture again. You just used actually so you went to the gray part first, and after you just used this way. So you did the same. I didn't make this one bigger, but as you can see, we have another beautiful coloring page. The only thing is missing is the other small hearts. As you can see, I just show you. So it's here we had this small hearts, and from this picture, from this one, we had 1 second. So from this picture we had this picture. So this is the way you can actually change. It looks amazing, isn't it? So you don't need to use like exact images. You can actually just find clip arts, and if you do this way, then actually I think you will be less trouble, and you don't need to worry if you know if Amazon KDP takes down or shut down your account, because actually you do the right way. So I hope it helped, and if you like this video, then please give me a like. I would be really appreciated. And also, if you would like to see similar videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. And actually, regarding this, I really appreciate all of you, all of the 600 of you, and thank you so much for subscribing and reaching the 600 subscribers. And I would like to reach the 1000 subscriber this year, so please help me with that. I really appreciate it, and thank you for being with me for such a long time now. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.